Since 2018, more than 50 attorneys have been disbarred due to various actions of misconduct. This has led to the national awareness drive to protect South Africans from financial loss. Those in attendance say the national dialogue must address legal issues for South Africans to regain trust in the legal system. They say the dialogue alone will not resolve challenges such as unemployment and GBV.
Somehow it doesn't help us because of we talk, it's like a talk show. We are all, it has been done for years, but it doesn't help us, like I said. It doesn't go to the steps that I have mentioned. So they must take that route. Even the churches, they come to the churches when there are elections.
What we want the dialogue to address, if the dialogue, in South Africa there is a lot of good things that are being made. For example, laws, they talk about the #1 constitution in the world. But the problem is the implementation. We don't have the people that must implement.
It has been revealed that some legal practitioners have been stealing money and property of unsuspecting clients.
Well, I don't think it's about the legal fraternity. I think it's about the country as a whole. You have to address moral decay because that's where it starts. You actually steal because society has found it easier to tolerate things like those over the years because of moral decay. So when you talk about the legal profession, you should talk about it in the context of it being part of society and it encapsulating the same values that talk to proper and ethical conduct.
Molefe says LPFF will use its resources to reach rural and farming communities as they are mostly affected by the legal practitioners' misconduct.
A campaign, a deliberate campaign that is starting, in fact it started about 2 weeks ago, that will be ongoing until the end of the year next year. And the target is areas like these. You tend to look at the big cities more than anything else. But our feeling is that most of the victims are people who cannot reach areas where they can get help.
In the Free State, Welkom is reported to have more cases of misconduct reported against legal practitioners. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Welkom.